Juliana ha bajado una estación de radio y está escuchando música. ¿Dónde sacaste eso, Julián? Oh, you're on YouTube. ¿Qué niño cómo cuenta esto?
Oh, back. Daddy, this ticket's for Takura.
Mío, mío. No, mío.
No,
Mío.
This last box is for
Daddy. Thank you. Julián, ¿cómo encontraste ese video?
this plug for the camera who has the video.
Yay.
You got a lot. Third ticket.
Thank you.
Need back my tickets. I have you.
Hey, don't step on my iPhone.
Do you know who has the most tickets?
Shake your booty.
Do you know who has
Shake
the
your booty.
most tickets ever? Spider-Man.
Okay, Spider-Man.
Daddy, do you know who has the most tickets ever?
Who?
You. So you win. You get to go. Daddy, please put it. Daddy, you get to go to the prize box. And me too? No, please you don't win. Oh? No, because you don't have the most tickets. This is an airplane game. You just ride the airplane.
That's right, I'm going away. I'm gonna fly in the airplane. Mine.
One ticket.
You already got your tickets.
But there are no more tickets in here.
Ow.
That's where the camera goes. Ow. Video camera. Okay, it's time to put the tickets away. Prize box.
Julian. Ow.
Get it.
Ow.
Here,
Ow.
check in the prize box and see what there's inside.
Okay, hold on.
I'm on the